This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy chocolate fudge. You'll need 3 cups of your favorite chocolate chips, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This simple combination creates a rich, creamy fudge that's perfect for any occasion. It's a quick and satisfying treat to prepare. Now, let's get melting. In a medium saucepan, combine your 3 cups of chocolate chips and the entire can of sweetened condensed milk. Heat this mixture over low heat, stirring continuously. It's crucial to stir constantly to prevent the chocolate from sticking or burning. Continue until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your chocolate mixture is smooth and off the heat, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This enhances the chocolate flavor beautifully. Next, pour the warm fudge into an 8-inch by 8-inch square pan that you've lined with parchment paper. This lining makes it incredibly easy to lift the fudge out later. Place the pan in the refrigerator and chill for at least 2 hours or until firm. After the fudge has thoroughly chilled and set, lift it out of the pan using the parchment paper. Place it on a cutting board and use a sharp knife to cut it into 1-inch squares. This recipe yields about 64 pieces of rich, decadent fudge. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week or in the refrigerator for longer enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.